Hello everyone. So we have created Codemania. So Codemania is an online compiler that provides the features like code completion using ChatGPT. Users can search for questions and generate code using the artificial intelligence, the superpowers of the OpenAI's ChatGPT. Users can analyze results and statistics using the tremor.so dashboard. They can see the analytics on the tremor.so dashboard that we have integrated with the Firebase authentication. We have also integrated YouTube video recommendation system, which is also integrated with the OpenAI's ChatGPT. So if the user is submitting write a program to show tutorial of a program, so we are recommending the videos using YouTube's API. And nevertheless, the user can compile the code in C, C++, and Python language and get output with an easy to use interface. So let's get started with the project. So here is the project. The authentication system of this project is built using Firebase. Users can sign up, log in, or forget password. Everything is working. So if I sign up, I have already created the two users, namely with the website or email this. So if I log in, I am very sorry. Here is the email and here is the password. So if I log in, so you can see that I am on the dashboard console. So here on the left hand side, you can see that we have integrated 3 language support, C, C++, and Python. And on the right hand side, the users can search, comment, or search the programs using OpenAI's ChatGPT. At the bottom of the page, you can see there is a line written search videos will appear here. So if a user search the videos using the comment input box, so the videos will be shown here. And at the left side or at the bottom, we have show analytics. So if I just run any of the code, I have some sample code in my server. So here is the basic program of a factorial. So if I just go change my language to Python, so you can see that we have text highlighting also. And if I click on evaluate, so you can see that on the right hand side, we have the status of our output, which is pending, success or error. So we have a successful output generated. So you can see that the factorial of 5 is 120. If I change the number to 10, and I again click evaluate, so you can see that the status again goes pending, and again we see the success output. So here is this, and if I click on show analytics, so you can see that on the left hand side, I have my other previous searches that I have done today for testing purposes. And on the right hand side, you can see that the amount of code that was submitted with this account. If I hover over it, here you can see that I have submitted 10 Python code 10 times, C code 1 time, and C++ code 2 times. So if I just show you the Superbase database, everything inside the analytics dashboard is built in, is integrated with the Superbase dashboard. So if you see, we have created 2 tables, comments and languages. On the left hand side, we are showing the comments of the users, and on the right hand side, we are keeping a check on the count that how much the amount of code is submitted by the user with the following email ID. On this, you can see if I refresh the MongoDB database, you can see that we have keeping a check on the code compilations as well for the to maintain the concurrency in the program. If many requests come at the same time, so we are handling it with MongoDB database. So you can see here it is logging the documents, and here's the language. The status is success, and the factorial on the output is the factorial of 5 is 120 that we have submitted right now. On the right hand side, you can see we have 2 users. So if I log in with another user, so you can see the stats that are related to that user only. If I hit enter, so you can see here's the dashboard. If I click on show analytics, so you can see that the analytics of the user related with this email ID. So it is a very basic project which keeps a check on the user habits, the programming related habits. So the user can just see the comments that the questions he or she is submitting with date and time, and everything is implemented using the Superbase database API. And on the left, and if I go on to the output screen, and if I search anything here, right, Python program to print hello world, and I hit enter, so you can see at the bottom there are 4 suggested videos related to this problem. And on the left hand side, you can see that the hello world program is generated. Although it is coming from the ChatGPT's API, so I'm not able to handle it properly. Otherwise, the program code is legitimate. So, and if I just again go, so you can see that we have submitted a comment, like a Python program to print hello world, and it is just, you can see it in history, comments history. So that's all about the project Codemania. Thank you.